Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, La Mirada, local, and long-distance movers near me. When you need to move 100 miles away or more, you need the right long-distance movers. Our team will help you get settled into your new location faster. We offer all the basic moving services for your relocation. Along with our basic services, we also provide all the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a California moving company means you will get a faster moving process. There are many benefits that go along with using local movers. Whether you don't want to do the heavy lifting or you want your move to happen faster, the right movers will make it happen. 3 Movers will offer you the local moving services you need to get settled in faster. We make your move so much easier than you'll actually show up to your new home with the energy to enjoy it. A move that would take you several days to complete, we get done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our La Mirada moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.